Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to make a sharpening station with a water pond. This is for sharpening my knives, my planer blades, and my chisels. I have a sort of makeshift sharpening station right now. It's basically a board with a stop on it so that my water stones don't go flying off the table, but it's not a very good solution, and I've been meaning to make a proper sharpening station for quite a while now. This is going to be a fun project, so let's get to it. What you're going to need is a Tupperware container of some kind. This one that you see here is from Ikea. When I went through Ikea, they had different sizes of this style of bin. I know that this bin is the perfect size for my stones. You'll need a couple of whetstones. This one that I bought is a Japanese whetstone. It will work for chisels and knives. This one is a 1000, 6000 grit. My second whetstone, and this one is 240 and 800 grit. If it's a chisel, I'll usually start with a lower grit and work my way through these 4 grits. The next thing you're going to need is some cedar, which is what I recommend for this project. This is rough cut cedar I got from a local mill. It is 1 inch thick, and I've got a couple of boards that I'm going to work with. I buy a lot of this in the spring because I build a lot of planter boxes. I don't have a dedicated straight edge jig for making a square edge on my boards. What I use is a factory milled piece of poplar. You just pop this board off. Lay it down. Then the end piece is going to just sit on the surface. We're going to brad nail just like that. I'll give you a couple of options for glue. Make sure that you're using at least a type 2 wood glue. So either type bond 2, you can use Gorilla Glue that's rated for type 2. I'm almost out of type bond, so I'm going to use my Gorilla Glue that I picked up. While that's gluing up, I'm going to set up my stone holders. These are just 2 pieces of red cedar that I've got. I just want to make sure that it's nice and square before I mark. So this gives it just a little bit of play for expansion, because it will get wet, and as the wood gets wet, it is going to expand. So you don't want it completely snug. Mostly, you just want to make sure it's in place. But that will get wet and it will tighten up. Trust me, just that much play will be gone in a few minutes. And we're just going to create a heel for the stone on this end. It gives me the look that I'm going for, leaving that dowel just a little bit proud. And that concludes building a sharpening station with a water pond. Now that I've got this set up, my next step is to do a bunch of sharpening. I'm very pleased with how this turned out. It really looks great with the lighter color cedar and the red cedar. I think this is going to last a long time, and I'm really happy with the results. If you want to buy me a beer, head on over to my Patreon page right over here. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell down below. There are a couple more videos on this side you can watch. Until next time, thanks for watching, and have a great day.